What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Morrison, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can build your own beautiful website like this for just $17.75. Now, why do you want a website? You might want a website because you want to build an online store, you just want to build a blog, or you want to do something like affiliate marketing to make money. And that's a good way to make money, which I believe a lot of people are not really capitalizing on. So without further ado, let's get started. So you're going to log on to hostgator.com, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Alright, so when you get to hostgator.com, you'll realize they have three different plans: a hatchling plan, a baby plan, and business plan. I'd recommend you going over all of them to see which one is best fit for you. But if you're just going to do like a blog or a e-commerce website and you just want to do a single domain, I would recommend going with the hatchling plan. But if you're planning to create multiple websites, it would be best to go with the baby plan. So let's hit buy now. Now you're going to search for the domain name for your website to see if it's available. You'll only get domain names based on availability, and to an extent you can consider domain as the real estate of the internet. You can actually flip domains. You can buy and sell them just like how individuals buy and sell real estate. So I'm gonna use my name because more than likely it's available. Mr. Morrison, and we want it to be, so my domain name is available. It's mrmorrison.com, and it will be 1 year free. And after this, when you're doing your renewal, you're going to have to pay for your domain, and it's a .com. So these are some other available options, but I'm interested in .com. Now you want to uncheck this to reduce your cost as well, and then double check the package type, hatchling. And one thing I can say, the longer the duration of the billing cycle, the more you will save and it will be better for you. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to select 1 month. So let's complete the relevant information and proceed to purchasing our domain. Once you have completed the relevant information, just scroll to the end of the form. You will see where a coupon code is already applied. So the existing coupon code will give you only about $5 off. Now if you use my discount code, you'll get up to 50% off, and it shall bring down the price drastically. The coupon code is MRJM. Now let's hit validate. Wow, $13.20. That's a lot of savings there. And if you're going to do long term, like a 2 year or 3 year, it will be more savings for you in the long term. So you might want to think carefully about whether you want to do the 1 month now, or you want to wait a little and do 1 year or 2 year. That's something for you to think about, because when you're going to renew your hosting plan, you will get the full cost of it. Accept the terms and agreement, check out. So my card number seems correct and it's not processing, so I'm going to switch the payment method to PayPal and then link my card to PayPal. So I've successfully linked my card to PayPal. Let's agree and continue. Payment successfully completed. So my account is completed. You want to go to view dashboard. So now we're going to go to the control panel to install WordPress. This is what we're going to use to build our website. WordPress is a content management system. Select launch panel, and then here you have a bunch of options. So we're going to search for WordPress. It is asking you for some site information, so you can put whatever you want to name your website. So let me say Mr. Morrison. All of this information you can change at a later date, and you're going to need to take down your admin username and password. These credentials are very important. You don't want to lose them. and also keep track of your admin email address. Here you also have an option which you can use to email the installation details. Now let's click install. This may take a few minutes to complete. Once your installation is completed successfully, you want to wait about 5 to 10 minutes so your link are fully accessible. So if you click on the first one, it should take you to your website, and this is what it looks like on initial installation. So I'll show you how to make it attractive for your audience in a few. And then your second link now is your administrative link where you do all the configurations for your website. So for your website, plugins will become your friend. Plugins are what you use to customize your website. Plugins are what you're going to be used to customize your website to satisfy your needs and please your audience. So let's go on to the plugin section, add new plugin, and then we're going to search for Astra Sites. We're going to use this because we're going to build in our website in just a few clicks by doing an import of an already built website. Click install, click activate. Now let's go to appearance. As you can see, now we have a starter templates. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Elementor. So these are some of the templates that you can use, and you can just select one that you like. No, some of them are for free and some of them you will have to pay for them. And if you want to do a simple blog, we're going to search for a blog template. Let me just go with this one. You can always change it after. Let me go with this one and just click import. Import complete site. Let's go with beginner. You're building a website for yourself or client. Skip. And doing this, you're learning a very important skill. So now you learn that you can build a website for just $17. Now you can go out, learn WordPress some more, become skillful at it, and then you can charge clients $500 to build a website. Hey, people are willing to pay for it. So everything is being finalized now. Let's view the site and see how it looks. That's pretty much it. And how do you edit your website to change the information that is on the pages? Really simple. You can do a edit page from here. Edit with Elementor. And there you go, you have the option to change the text that you need. You can always play around and change the images if you like, and it's all up to you how you want to design. It's free for you. You can play around with it. You can change the images. So alright, so let me change one title and show you. Now let's click update. Let's go to our blog page, and you can edit these information and put in what you want. Like I said, WordPress is limitless. Let me exit to the dashboard. Back to WordPress, continue. Let me go back to the home. Now these are the list of pages that you can modify. Here you have a contact page, edit with Elementor. and then you just replace the information with your contact information. It is really that simple, guys. Exit to dashboard. And another very important thing, I want to touch on is backups. You want to make sure you configure backups for your website. So in the event that anything happens, like your website crash, any little mishaps, you make a change and you're not sure how to correct it, then you can always restore from your backup. So like I said before, plugins are your friend. To configure your backup, you're going to go to plugin, add new, and search for I believe it's Updraft, and search for Updraft. Here we go, Updraft backup. Now let's install that. Activate. Configure your backups. So you go on the settings tab, and then here you have the options that you can use to configure your backup. So let's go on the settings tab, and you can send your backup to any one of these platforms which you choose. I'm going to select Google Drive, hit save, and then it will be redirecting you to Google for you to select the account which you want your backups to go. Allow, complete setup, and if I do a backup now, it will do a backup, and when you check your Google Drive, your website will be there. Now as you can see, this is my first backup, and if I click restore, it will try to restore my website. That's in the event if I make a change and I don't know how to fix it, then you can always restore from a backup. You can also schedule your backups to run nightly or even hourly. So you go to settings and select the frequency which you want to back up your files and also your database. You also need to retain like say 6 backups. That should be fine, and that's it. So now let's go back to our website. mrmarson.com, and this was the title that I changed, Mr. Marson. Now let's look at the blogging page. So let's look at an article. So how do you add your own blog? Now it's really simple. Let's go back to WordPress here. Select post, and then you can add new post. Edit with Elementor, and from here you can design how you want your page to look. So let me just do something real quick. Let me add a text here. And then let's say you had some more text here. Here's where you change your font size. And if you want images, you can add your image. If you want to embed a YouTube video, let's add another section. Click the plus and search for YouTube. Now here you can customize this and put the YouTube link that you need in your page. So let's hit publish. Let's take a look. And there we go. It's up to you to customize your page how you want to look and feel. This is just a quick tutorial on how to get started. If you want to make edits to how your blog page look, you can go on to pages and select blog. And then you can customize how your blog page looks. Now this is where it will list them. This one that says posts, it will list all your blogs. And you can specify how many posts you want per page. So let's select 3. And it gives you an overview. In most cases, if the template you select doesn't suit your need, you can always go ahead and just build a new page from scratch and put your blogs on it, because personally I don't like this one. Let's hit update. Let's hit blog, and as you can see, it starts to list the various posts. Now here's where you can customize what you want to show on like your initial preview of the blog. Show title, show the author, show the date, and much more. And if you want to change the theme, no problem, just let me show you that before I finish this video. Let's hit leave. And let's go back to appearance, start the templates, and we're going to go to blog. Let me just select this one, import complete site. So you want to make sure you select this option, delete previously imported sites. Beginner, myself, my client. You can skip that and just import. This will take a little while to complete. And guys, don't forget to use my discount code MRJM to get your discount and save a lot of money off your first website. Now let's view our website. And there we go, another nice professional clean looking website in just a few clicks. And if you want to change anything, all you have to do is just edit page and change. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. And you can capitalize on this skill. Take the time, learn WordPress, and you can offer building WordPress website as a service. You can make a lot of money doing it. You can also find out how you can buy and sell, domain names. That's another way. You can utilize blogging to promote and advertise products. That's another way. And last but not least, you can use Google AdSense to show ads on your website. If people click these ads on your website, then you'll earn a small amount of money from these clicks. And not only that, if your website starts to get enough traction, then you might have advertising agency or businesses reaching out to you and say, can I put this on your website? As long as your website is getting a lot of traffic, There is no limit on the amount you can earn from having a simple website. I mean, thanks again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.